we will see how to make these fans. For making a fan, we need square cutouts. So I have taken one paper and I have folded it into half. Again, you have to fold it into half and you have to repeat the process as shown in the video. Now let's open the paper. You have to start folding it from one side. As shown in the video, you have to fold it first inside, then to the outside, again to the inside, and then outside. You have to repeat this process until you get one strip. Now let's fold this into half. And stick the middle portion with the help of glue, as shown in the video. Now you can see our fan is ready. Let's follow the same process and make the other fan quickly. Don't you think it's quick and easy? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.